Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel where I'll be making better and improved videos, including demonstrations on hydrotherapy, demonstrations on how to make a charcoal poultice, and demonstrations on vegan/vegetarian cooking. I will also be giving a series of very powerful health lectures on how to treat and prevent lifestyle diseases through the application of the 8 laws of health. Would you like to know what these 8 laws of health are? Well, please keep watching my channel. And if you like any of my videos, please go ahead and click on the free subscriptions button for me and subscribe. Thank you. Now, in today's video, I'll be giving a demonstration on how to make a simple yet powerful and effective cough remedy for that common nagging irritable cough that just doesn't seem to want to go away. It's called a natural cough syrup, and all you need are 3 basic simple ingredients. The first one is lemon juice, and all you need is enough to fill a 2-ounce disposable cup. Lemon juice is very high in vitamin C, and it can help to boost your immune system and fight that cough. The second ingredient is eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is very soothing for the throat and for the respiratory tract. It can also help with that cough. Last but not least, you'll need a little bit of honey just for taste, because eucalyptus oil, once you put it in the lemon juice, it can be very strong and very bitter. So you have to be very careful, and it's almost unbearable to drink if you put too much in there. All right, I just want to say that if you're diabetic, please be careful with the honey. Now, let's begin. Okay, we have our lemon juice. Like I said before, all you need is 1 drop of eucalyptus oil in the lemon juice. So let's go ahead and do that. Be careful. Okay. Then you can add the honey for taste. Just add a little honey to make it bearable. There you go. And then just mix it around. Now, like I said before, eucalyptus oil can be very strong and bitter and almost unbearable. So 1 drop is sufficient. Okay. And there you have it, a natural cough syrup for that cough. All right, all you have to do is just drink it daily as needed, or until the cough goes away. And let me just stress that if the cough is very bad and chronic, please see a doctor. Let's go ahead and see how it tastes. Not bad. A little strong. That's why I've been stressing 1 drop of eucalyptus oil only. Well, that's the end of my presentation. And if you enjoyed this video, and if you feel you were helped, go ahead and hit that free subscriptions button for me and subscribe. Thank you for watching. And remember, Jesus is coming back very soon. So be of good courage, and God bless. Thank you.